Hey babes, welcome to my channel. Be sure to follow me on Instagram and check out my website. Don't forget to thumbs up this video and subscribe. Today I'm going to show you how to get the perfect color for the fall. Here we have a 24-inch deep curly machine-made custom frontal unit. To lift the hair, I chose to work with the Blonde Me line. I got their dust-free powder and their 30 volume developer. I find that their product is less harsh on the hair and it helps maintain the curl pattern afterward. To achieve the color, I use French Cognac, Paprika, and Cajun Spice from Adore. These can all be found at your local beauty supply store and will be linked down below. The first step is to create a mixture of the dust-free powder and the 30 volume developer. You want to get a nice consistency and then apply that directly to the hair, starting from the bottom and then working your way up. You want to make sure that you're applying it nice and evenly and then brushing it through the hair so that you're not missing any spots. To create a natural transition at the root, the trick is to turn your brush diagonally. Then you're going to apply the bleach going up and down in a jagged motion and not just straight across. That way you're not creating a line of demarcation in the hair and it looks really natural. Next, you're going to use the same techniques and apply the bleach to the rest of the hair. Make sure that you saturate each section evenly. I let the bleach sit on the hair for about 20 to 25 minutes with no foil. Here's the unit fully air dried. As you can see, the curls are still intact and full and bouncy. Next, you're going to create a mixture of equal parts French Cognac, Paprika, and Cajun Spice and apply it directly onto the freshly lifted hair. let the color sit for about 45 minutes before I rinsed it out and deep conditioned the hair. Now here's the unit after I've customized it and set it to dry. Now this is the hair about 75% dry. I love the way the color came out. On camera it looks a little red, but in person it definitely has a lot more orange undertones. Now here's the unit installed on my client. For this install, I used Bold Hold Active Adhesive Glue. If you're interested in having a custom frontal or custom closure unit made, my website and email will be linked down below. Feel free to place your order there or contact me for more details. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and thumbs up this video.